Hey friends, you are with Sneha Shah on Let's Learn Spreading Wings. Today we are going to learn how to find a square root of non-perfect square number. You know very well what is the square root of 16, that is 4. What is the square root of 25, that will be 5. But when you are asked to find the square root of 17 or 47 or 11 or any such number which is not perfect square number, you always get confused. And this video is more important for the students who are studying in class 9th and 10th because they don't get calculator to solve this. They are not allowed to use the calculator in their exams or while studying also. So here is the best solution for them, and this is the easiest trick by which you can learn how to find the square root of non-perfect square number. You have to keep in mind this formula. Root x plus y is equal to root x plus y upon 2 root x. How to use it? I'll teach you this. X should be perfect square. Say for example, if you want to find out the square root of root 17, then you need to divide this as the sum of two numbers of which one is perfect square. So I will write 17 as 16 plus 1. Why have I taken here only 16? Because that is perfect square. That will be considered as x. Plus 1 because 17 is equal to 16 plus 1. So instead of 17, I will write 16 plus 1. Okay, now what? Root x plus y is equal to root x. Which is our x? This is our x. This is our y. So root x, so that is root 16 plus y. Y is how much? That is 1 upon 2 root x. So 2 into how much is root x? That is root 16. So root 16 is 4 plus 1 by 4 2s are 8. You also have to solve with me. Pause करके solve कीजिए. Now what is the value of 1 by 8? You need to divide like this. You know how to do it. 8 ones are 8. 2 remains 0. 8 is 24 बढ़ जाएगा. 8 2s are 16. 4 remains 0. 8 5s are. So you get 0.125. So your answer is 4.125. This is the value of root 17. Now I would go for finding out the value of root 47. कैसे कर सकते इसको? देखो, it is not necessary that you go for x plus y only. Root x plus y नहीं. You can go for root x minus y also. When you go for root x minus y, when you use this, instead of plus, if you use minus, then here also you have to use minus instead of plus. How? We will see. 47. Can I write 47 as 49 minus 2? See, first number that I will take should always be perfect square number. Which is a perfect square number that is nearer to 47. Can I take 16? No, it is far from 47. But the nearest number that is perfect square and that is nearest to 47 is 49. How can I get 47? By deducting 2 from it. So 49 minus 2 is 47. So instead of plus, here I have used minus. So in this formula, instead of plus, I will take minus. कैसे देखते हैं? Root 49 minus 2. So 49 is our x and 2 is y. So root x. First of all, we have to take root x, that is root 49. Now I'll take minus. Now I have to use y over here. What is our y? That is 2. And in the denominator, I have to use 2 into root 49 because 2 into root x. See, for first 4 to 5 sums, when you solve first 4 to 5 sums, then you need to take this formula, you need to use it, and you have to see it every time you do the sum. But once you are used to do it, you will not need to see it every time you do the sum. and you will be able to do it mentally. Okay, so root 49 is 7 and 2, that is why that I have to keep in numerator. Now 2 sevens are 14. 7 minus 2 by 14, so I have to divide 2 by 14. So यहाँ कर लेते 2 by 14 कर लेते. 14 ones are 14, 6 remains 0, 14 5 are 70 बढ़ जाएगा. 4 ले रहे 56, 4 remains 0, 3 बढ़ जाएगा 2 मतलब अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 0.142 आ रहा है. नाउ आई नीड टू सब्ट्रैक्ट these all is rough work, हाँ, you don't need to consider this all. 7 minus 0.142, 7.000 minus 0.142. So मुझे इसको सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नहीं, अगेन यहाँ पे 9 ही आएगा ना, तो 8. ओके, 6.858. You can approximately say that your answer is 6.86. ये किसका स्क्वायर रूट था? ये रूट 47 का था. रूट 49 का 7 होता है, तो ऑब्वियसली ये उससे थोड़ा कम ही होगा. ये अप्रॉक्सीमेट आंसर है. आप प्लस से जाओ, माइनस में जाओ, कभी कभी 0.001 जितना डिफरेंस आता है, बट दैट इज ओके. अब रूट 11, अब ये हमने फॉर्मूला से देखा, फॉर्मूला के बिना ही करेंगे. रूट 11 इसका नियरेस्ट क्या है? नियरेस्ट परफेक्ट स्क्वायर क्या ले सकते हैं? 9 ले सकते हैं, तो रूट 9 प्लस 2 ले लेते हैं. तो अब क्या लेंगे? अब इसका स्क्वायर रूट लेते थे पहले में, फिर क्या ले लेंगे? ये 2 ऊपर न्यूमरेटर में और डिनोमिनेटर में इसका डबल कर लेंगे, दैट इज 6. 2/6 क्या होता है? 1/3. और 1/3 का इसका आप सॉल्व करोगे ना, डिविजन करोगे, तो आपको कोशंट ये मिलेगा 0.33. सो 3.33 इज योर आंसर. आई होप आप सबको आ गया होगा कि कैसे नॉन परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर का स्क्वायर रूट फाइंड करते हैं. और फिर भी कोई भी नंबर का आपको नहीं आ रहा है, फिर आप मुझे कमेंट कर सकते हो. मैं आप उसके लिए दूसरा वीडियो बनाऊंगी, आपको समझाऊंगी. थैंक यू सो मच. प्लीज़ शेयर इट मैक्सिमम विथ योर फ्रेंड्स. इट्स गोना बी वेरी यूजफुल फॉर ऑल. थैंक यू.